I am Mike Scott and we are in Jensen Beach, Florida. Initially, I was looking to do something more with my backyard. I had finished my pickleball court in 2020 and realized I had some additional room and was thinking about accessory dwelling units to make for a side hustle, if you will. In 2021, I was just on YouTube looking at random channels here and there, and I came across Contemplating Luxury. Fascinated with Blake and his crew with what they were doing out in Texas, and eventually thought to myself, well, maybe I can build one of these things. He was holding classes on how to put them together, etc. And at that time I realized, well, maybe it's just going to be too difficult. So I reached out to Blake and we discussed the idea of coming up with a plan. Early 2022, refinanced the house, got some cash out, decided to do what we have here. You spend all this money and you hope somebody comes. I think I have over $115,000 invested in the containing area, if you will, which includes the 2 units. I guess you would say December through April, it's been about $5,000 a month in revenue.
Wow.
It's very surprising. Like I said, you spend a lot of the money and you're hoping somebody likes it or wants to come. I put it up, first day of August, and I was waiting for somebody to call or, Airbnb to chime in, and nothing. 2 days later, I got like 4 guests that registered. So pretty incredible. My first guest was for 30 days, even more incredible. And it's, haven't looked back. I've added a few things here and there as I went. Products inside, some products outside, trying to tweak it, trying to make it more homey, just made it as a place that I'd like to live myself. 110 stays we've had since August. I have 98 5-star reviews. So,
what are people saying about it?
Oh, wow, what an ingenious use of space. These things are incredible. It's all you could ever ask for in a small little place, way better than any other Airbnb I've ever been into, and I'll never go back to a hotel. If you're interested in any type of container living, there is no better place than Contemplating Luxury. These guys know exactly how to build them, they know how to deliver them, and they know how to service them. There is no better crew.